Let's factor x squared plus 19x plus 90. Okay, remember the first thing we need to do is check to see if we have a common factor throughout. Of course we do not. The second thing I want to point out is that we're starting off here with an x squared. There's no number other than the other understood 1. There's no number in front of this x squared, which means that when we're trying to work this out, we don't need to work it out the long way. Okay, we know what the answer is going to be as soon as we do this next part. So that next part is we need to find two numbers that multiply together to be 90, but add together to be 19. Multiply together to be 90, positive 90, but when I add those same numbers together, I get 19. Okay, so now I'm going to list out pairs of numbers that multiply together to be 90. Okay, we have 1 and 90, 2 and 45, we have 3 and 30, we have 5 and 18, we have 6 and 15, we have 9 and 10, we also have -1, -90, -2, -45, and so on, right? We could keep going like that. We don't need to go and do all of those, though, because these are all going to add up to be negative numbers, and they need to add up to be positive. So I'm going to kind of ignore those negatives down there. Okay, so anyway, 1 plus 90 is 91. That's not 19. 2 plus 45 is 47. That's not 19. 3 plus 30 is 33. That's not 19. 5 plus 18 is 23. That's not 19. 6 plus 15 is 21. Not 19. 9 plus 10 is 19. Check. I found my pair of numbers. Okay, so now we could do this the long way, but since there's not an understood, since there's an understood 1 in front of the x squared and nothing else, we can jump straight to it. We know that our answers or our numbers are going to be plus 9 and plus 10. So therefore, this thing factors to be x plus 9 times x plus 10.